Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create dynamic segments in ActiveCampaign in 2026. First, log in to your ActiveCampaign account and go to Contacts in the left menu. Click on Segments, then hit New Segment. Give your segment a name, like Engaged Customers or Cart Abandoners. Now, instead of manually selecting contacts, you'll set conditions that update automatically. Click Add Condition. You can choose from fields like contact tags, list membership, deal stage, or even custom fields. For example, set a condition for contacts who opened your last 3 emails or who have a specific tag like VIP. You can add multiple conditions. Choose All, if all conditions must match, or Any, if just one is needed. As contacts meet these criteria, they'll automatically be added to your segment in real time. Once you're done, click Save. Your dynamic segment will now stay updated without any manual work. You can use it for campaigns, automations, or reporting. And that's it. Now you know how to create dynamic segments in ActiveCampaign. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.